Good afternoon, welcome back again guys and girls. Just a little short video today. I've just been doing a little bit of work on the Fordson Model N 1939. As you may have known, I didn't have the correct magneto for this, and I managed to get hold of the correct Bosch German. It's an fub4, which is the correct magneto for this year of standard Fordson. I've just got it back. It's been off to oldironengineers, which is based in Sussex, and they've done an absolutely fantastic job on this. You know, because of the tractor being in its original working clothes, I didn't want the magneto to be all sparkly clean and fresh, so I just asked them to do a nice basic restoration on it. And what he's done a little bit of like gun barrel blacking on the magnet there, just to give it a bit of protection, but again, it's not shiny and new. He's also done a repair on the points cap, because that had a big crack in it and a chunk missing out of it. He's redone that, and also the connections on the inside for the kill, because when it turns here, it shorts it out on the body of the magneto to turn the engine off. And he's done a fantastic repair in there. It were all cracked and broken, and he's done a really first class job. The actual distributor cap, all the screws that peg into the HT lines, they were all totally rotten in, and there were no threads left in the cap. He's repaired all that, re-tapped it out, put all new screws in. It's just a lovely job. I think it looks really nice. And in fixing with the tractor, I can't recommend them enough. They also put a warranty on all the work, so any man that puts a warranty on a magneto must be confident in his work, and I can't rate him high enough for the job he's done on this. And again, as we all know, when you're having magneto repairs done, the lead times are horrendous. Everybody wants them done yesterday, but they're you know, you can be waiting anywhere up to 4 to 5 months to get one back. He turned that one round for me in 6 weeks, which again I think is absolutely brilliant. He posted it back to me. It was posted in really good packaging, nice and safe and secure, recorded delivery. I just can't say anything more really. So if anybody has any magnetos that they want reconditioning, he's the man to send it to. He's called Matthew, and if you have a look on Facebook, he has a Facebook page called oldironengineers. You'll quite easily find him. He's got really good reviews. As I say, I'll be putting a positive review in for him as well, because I'm really happy with the work. So many thanks, Matthew. Greatly appreciated, and another satisfied customer. If you keep your eye on the comments below, and if you have a look in the description, I will put his contact details in there. So many thanks. Cheers guys.